Hey guys, good morning. Good morning here from Sogod. So we are here in Sogod. I'm here with the squad group from Rotary Club Cebu. So we are here to donate, to do the relief goods. I joined them like this morning. We drove all the way from Mandawi City coming here. So now we're just waiting for a truck that is gonna join us soon so we can deliver everything is on the truck. All the relief goods are on the truck. Cebu actually was really hit hard by the 6.9 earthquake. The truck finally arrived. That's the truck behind right here. And everyone right now is lining up to get the donations. Man. So they were just camping somewhere over there at the back. You see the open field right there? That's where they put the tent and it was camping for about a week already since the earthquake. About a week and a half already. So, yep, the truck arrived and now they are unloading some of the goods to donate to the locals right here in Sogod. Man, it's kind of sad though.
Ito ang nagawat dinhi. Okay? Now karong buntaga ako kay nato pasalamat to uban nato karong buntaga ang Rotary Club Banilad chapter. Okay? Ha? Oo.
Oh, tara. Yeah, yeah.
Sabi. Paliw ko alsa para mapaspas atong buhay.
Hello.
Thank you po.
Thank you, thank you. So we're down for Sogod right here in this barangay. We're heading next to the next delivery point, next barangay. So there we go.
We also would like to extend our deepest appreciation to Sir Vito Salma for donating 500 gallons of water. Sir, this is very of great help to our community here, which is around 500 households. Thank you so much, sir, because of the recent magnitude, 6.9 magnitude earthquake. The community really felt the scarcity of water, and the one that you have being sent here in our community is of great help. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you also Rotary Club Banilad Metro and Rotary International District 3860. Thank you so much.
Good morning, guys. It's Maria, Rotarian Maria Nasila here. We're in the site 2 of where we will be dropping off the donations of gallons of water and snacks and sacks of rice for our fellow Cebuanos here in northern Cebu. So I am so happy that we're here. We got in just in time. We're on time.
Stay kami, di haraman mini stay sa kanang dahil nabungkag mo ang kusina, galog man ang kwarto. So ang dili sa among sala-sala kay di man kumpleto na complete. So dito ra gid ka makastay. Oh, pero
Parang puro punta ako
anong gihapon ka oy ayagon man gud gihapon pero sige lang kay at least to wa gid
Ahoy,
wa maana gid ba niya.
We're still here we are here in City of Upper Kamalig, Barangay Liki, Municipality of Sogod. This is one of the most devastated barangays here in the municipality, or in around 20 houses were actually washed out, and more or less 500 families were affected by the 6.9 magnitude of earthquake.
So right now they are still not allowed to go
Yes,
sleep in the house.
actually, most of the families here in this barangay are still sleeping outside, making shanties outside of their houses, because there are houses which are partially damaged but totally unsafe to live in. So that's why they're making shanties outside in their houses. Considering partially damaged, but wala din na, dili pa natin siya ma-consideran nga safe na puyo. Pero pasalamat ako, gyapon pasalamat sa itong
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pumunta dito at sana po makatulong itong mga dala naming tubig. Ito po ay mga tubig na galing kay Vivo Selmo, isa siyang furniture maker, kilalang furniture maker sa Cebu, sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa din. So, yun, maraming salamat po and unahin po natin yung mga lolo at lola. Magkwento tayo ng Hello, magandang umaga po, mayong buntag ate.
Tagsad kaninyo.
Opo, ano pong pangalan ninyo?
Lolita Escasinas.
Kamusta po kayo?
Abuti ra.
Ah,
Ang among balay kanang naguba ra gamay nga kuan mga upat ka halublak niya nanliki lang ang mga haligi bong kanang simento nanliki.
kamusta naman po ba pamilya ninyo?
Kanang kuan man kami ra man duha diha ako ang manghud kay mga daga bitamin guwang. Oh, wala ming pamilya nga ang among mga igsuon to sa Undawi nya. Kami ra duha diri nagpuyo. Kay mga tigulang naman niya. Retire na. Ay kuan. Kami ra diri duha. Linog kami ra. Nya. Ang among balay mao ra to ang nangliki ang mga halublak. Yan ay naguba nga bungbong pagka halublak na tagak na kangal ang mga ana ang among kuan naguman.
Ay, ang mga kaibigan natin dito, kabarangay, kamusta naman po sila?
Maayo man sad naigor sad aynon ana ra ang kuan niya na ay na dako og damage ang uban sa diring dapita. Pero nga to sa Buntilaw, dagko nangakuan jud ang ilang bahay sa dinis Kamalig Liki. Dili gyud ingon nga dagko kaayo og kanang damage. Andito sa Buntilaw mo daghan kaayo mga kuan nga bahay, nga balay.
Ano po kaya tingin yung kailangan po ng community ngayon? Ano yung tulong na kailangan karon?
Kuan og ang ako lang og naay mutabang makatabang rin mao na amo ang gikinahanglan kay ang kuan naman sa DSWD among bahay gi-check up na ba.
Check up na. Mabuti naman po, mabilis pumunta yung DSWD, yung gobyerno dito.
O gi-check up na unsay mga damage inyo yung uban nga kuan ana tan-aw na ginchine sa
Okay
Sogod.
naman po.
Oo.
Mabuti naman po kung ganon. Ano na lang po, ano pong masasabi po ninyo sa tulong na ipinahatid ng mga donasyon galing sa ating sponsor at saka sa Rotary Club o Banilad Metro?
Daghang kaayong salamat sa tanan nga inyong gitabang namo Rotary Rotary Club. Daghang kaayong salamat ug dako kay ning gikatabang ninyo namo dinhi. Daghang kaayong salamat daya. Ma'am sir, daghang kaayong salamat sa tanan ninyo. Tagaan ug daghang grasya nga maabot sa inyong kumkuan. Daghang kaayong salamat.
Thank you din po.
Salamat. Sige.
Salamat kayo.
So this is a temporary shelter that has been provided by the government to the people, the locals here in this barangay, because of the aftershocks that are still going on, and it's not safe for people to live in the houses.
Yeah, the second drop-off has been done. We're moving on to the next one, which is gonna be in Salingit Elementary School. That is gonna be another 23 minutes of drive towards the northern side of our area here, from where we are coming from here in Sugod. So we're looking forward to complete our task for today, which is to deliver the 500 donations of 5-liter gallons of water and sacks of rice and the breads from Rotary Club of Manila Metro. So thank you so much to all the sponsors and donors who are supporting and giving help to our communities here in Northern Cebu. So we are all happy to be of help to all of our local Cebuanos here today who were affected by the recent earthquakes that has been shaking the Cebu and the whole Philippines. So today we're moving hearts by moving waters from the city to here in the far-flung areas of Cebu. And we're still welcoming your donations, any help that you could do to support and help rebuild the communities in the northern parts of our province.
Yeah,
So we're welcome.
last weekend you guys went to Dan Pantayan?
Yeah, last weekend we did support the affected areas in Medellin, in San Remigio, and in Daan Bantayan. So last weekend, I believe we were able to complete giving away a lot of goods and donations coming from different organizations. We had 18 trucks together with Rotary District 3860, led by Rotary Club of Manila Metro and Rotary Club of Mandaue, spearheaded by Press James and Press Marby Alcantara. Thank you so much to our great leaders in our community who are continuously doing their best to be of service to our communities here. We were able to raise at least more than 1 million pesos worth of cash and goods donations in just a span of a few days. So we're really grateful to all those sponsors who have sent their help. So we're still welcoming more of your help. Please do reach out to Rotary Club of Manila Metro through our President Marby Alcantara. You can reach out to her through our Facebook page and also Rotary District 3860. So I look forward to seeing you guys soon. This is Maria. And thank you so much.
So after the two delivery point in Sogod, Cebu, we actually drove all the way to the municipality of Bourbon. Bourbon is a municipality located just before Bogo City. So we drove all the way there and we had to drive on off-road going into one of the inland communities, a small barangay.
We are in Salingit Elementary School.
Kumusta? Kira? Nagyapon, natulog sa gawas. Okay, pero pasalamat. Ano?
Anyway.
Mundo Bourbon Cebu! Lagi sa lagi.
Oh, yeah.
Laki sa mga saan ang bato.
Marami po, daghan. Doon may bumagsak na bahay tapos namatayan. One lang,
One. Ah.
one casualty.
Ah, okay. Said.
Tapos ang hirap dito is yung tubig kasi malayo ang kukunan ng tubig namin. Yung ang pinaka-importante dito is tubig.
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 Walay tubig.
Wala tubig.
Drinking water.
Yeah, drinking
Ah.
water.
But for wash,
Yeah,
bath, take a
take a
bath.
bath and panglaba.
Ah.
Washing clothes.
Washing clothes.
Yeah.
Cooking, wala.
Cooking also.
How many days? How many since
From the
earthquake until
the
now?
earthquake starting until now,
Wow.
because the supply is the supplier is cannot produce the water because ilang refilling stations was broken.
Oh, okay.
It's because of the earthquake. We have a 61 household.
Kamusta po?
Okay lang, pero hadlok sad uy kay wa pa ni hunong og dali man bungkag gid wa man balay man. Uy, kusog man siya gud. Pero mura ra siya nilabay ra gyud. Pero naagi mga crack among balay. Yeah. Ang mga hinabang diri, may lang na mga kaila sa may lang titing o kay makasud gid diri. Minlain ra man gyud ang makasud. Salamat sa sagid mi nga naabot gyud mo diri eh. Ako kayo pasalamat gid kay wa pas titing, wa gyud mi nga kuan. Kinain abot din hinabang sa ako sang kaila sa akong kauban sa akong anak trabaho sa lasyon sa una. Ang hinabang sa sila diri. Ya napatoy lain nakatabang sa ngari gihapon yang manghod no kauban sa nila sa trabaho nang hatod sa diri. Salamat gid kayo naabot mo diri.
Oo, ano po palang pangalan po ninyo?
Ay dadita Munto. Eko ani kanang asawa sa gagaw ni Titing Munto. Dili na siya Muntos Titing. Lain na yung papa. Mag-agaw na sila si ang akong bana og si Inday Bilin, mama ni Titing.
Sino po yun?
Si Bilin nga mama ni Titing bitaw. Yung kauban ba?
Si...
Kanang nagdadiri sa inyo ba Titing? Mag-agaw na og mag-agaw na og akong bana.
Okay. Sige po, mabuti po. Ano na lang po masasabi po ninyo sa Rotary International?
Ay, pasalamat gibig dako nga nakaabot gyud mo diri. Sobrang salamat kay sa Ginoon abot mo diri. Wa ta gimig na makaso diri nga kuan kay kasagaran ay nisudon ta to diri man para sa lingit nga. Giingnan man dili pasudog sa lingit nga ilisod ko nang dan ya napagibato nga nababag wala man. Wala ra dito sila taman sa diing iyong nga dili pasudlon. Nanihit kayo makasuod diri. Salamat sa sarmi mami kay okay raman mi. Wa man malus no among balay. Pero okay na lang sa migtabang pod. Labi na ning tubig. Wa may delivery ning tubig. Ang among tubig bubog ikan. Ya ang bugo wala man.
Kaya
Wala man guba man.
kailangan talaga ng tubig.
Tubig yun, tubig among kinahanglan gyud.
Oo. Sige po. Sali, sa mga iba pa pong gustong mag-donate sa ating mga kababayang Cebuanos, pwede po kayo magpadala ng inyong tulong sa pamamagitan ng Rotary Club of Banilad Metro, Rotary International District 3860. Mag-message lang po kayo sa aming Facebook page at tatanungin kung paano kayo makakatulong sa ating mga communities dito sa Northern Cebu. Okay, so maraming salamat po.
Salamat po sa inyo, ma'am.
Isa pa yung taga-pilisan. Wala. Ilang tayo isa.
So after delivering to the barangay, our family was really kind enough to invite us into the home for lunch.
Bigyan na lang kay ma'am yan.
Thank you guys for watching. For those of you who are interested to donate and help the families in need, I'll put the link on the description so you guys can go check it out. It's actually a page to the Rotary Club Cebu, and they can tell you what to donate and how to donate. So right now the main focus is to help rebuild the northern part of Cebu. Most of the families that has been affected by the earthquake have lost their houses, and right now everyone is focusing on rebuilding. There are places where there's no water supply for weeks, and they are focusing on bringing water supply back to those barangays and small villages, and also help rebuilding the houses of those families the houses has been destroyed by the earthquake. So any help would do, any amount would do, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys with another video. Peace out.